Eh? Eh?
I'm 27 years old, sir, and I live in Abuja with my family.
Husband go family go based on Panama go yeah.
Yes. My mother and my siblings. My father died that day, so he's not with us for now.
Pagamona.
Mm.
Gonna can
Okay, I'm into logistics. We do delivery within Abuja. You know, like the delivery, if you buy something, the people that does the delivery for you. So yeah, we own some of the bikes.
age where I'm now, who age TikTok or age in the social
No, that's
media.
my real. But I don't want to say it because people will start disrespecting me. I don't want that.
Because of what?
I don't want disrespect that comes on TikTok. So I just try to stay like respect myself.
That is why you are telling me wrong age.
No.
Is that why
I
you're
just
lying to me that
no
you are
no.
eh?
No.
Oseti
I did
Lagos.
not.
Osuru
Jesus,
Lagos.
Jesus Christ.
Eh?
No, I did not lie to you. I promise you. I did not lie. I swear. I didn't lie to you. Makachuku, I did not lie to you.
Oh,
Hey, Jesus.
Emakesha Makachuku.
Yeah, I know that one. I know Makachuku. I know few, like I understand Igbo, but I cannot speak
Hello,
fluently.
Zaga chief na account here.
Okay, so my grandma was a chief before she died. So I look exactly like my grandmother. So my father started calling me chief
Hello,
at
na
home.
form Romu ka umu nwoke.
No, I'm not forming. No, I'm not forming anything for you. I respect you a lot. See you as an elderly person, so I can never form for you.
Hello, you elderly person.
You have white beards.
Chileke bakwago ko tisha hide ga age gi man say trom. He man say trom chileke bagoko. Now when I want to be away here program elderly person. Away here program elderly person chileke bagoko ma bingo muna.
So please, as you're shouting like this, you might develop high blood pressure, and I cannot help.
Chef ko to ge na nke nwoke nwa bingo muna. We brango nye ke gwara ge
Oh,
nwe bibi.
Jesus Christ. So I don't
Chef
want you
ku
to
ibu
have
ge na
high
nke
blood
nwoke ibem.
pressure.
Ibranga
So I'm,
chileke bakwago ko ibranga program elderly
oh,
person.
Jesus Christ.
Hello, here
Okay,
program elderly man.
okay, I take it back. You're a very young man. I take it back. I take whatever.
Not a credit camera 20 years. Give you a program elderly person.
Wait. How old are you?
I'm 20 years.
So that means I'm older than you with 7 years. You should respect me.
Okay, Aunty Gwegwegwe. Aunty Gwegwegwe.
We grew up in my family is that we respect people who are older than us. Yeah, yeah,
Aunty Gwegwegwe Ngwando. Makuku.
it's okay.
Makuku ndo.
Okay,
Gwaka mchetra.
it's okay.
Don't bye
But
bye na. Bye bye.
okay, bye. Bye.
Come on, subscribe for that place. So you can subscribe or check out. Subscribe or like ya get share ya. Awara ya bag. You watch it ya get back. You just know what ya taku shares again for what? Subscribe or for this place. Chineka Bagoko. Well, as for English, mega ya. And they got no school. Go position on your nine.
From Lagos State, Nigeria.
Okay. Mpagi wo ye Yoruba kwa.
No.
Okay. Mmagi wo ye Yoruba.
No.
Okay. Mpagi wo Igbo.
Yes.
Okay. Gana form nga ye form nga. Yeah. Do ko di phone na la biloto ke lazo.
Okay.
Wapa aka n'ukwu gị. Tọọ n'azụ. Asị m gị tọọ n'azụ. Asị gị elewe anya front ebe a.
Okay. Okay. So then we're back.
Tọọ nọ.
Hi, Michelle. Good evening, sir.
Iwo Igbo ka Iwo Yoruba.
Onyibo.
Okay. Iwo Ebe.
Onyimbano. Imo State.
Ebe na Imo State. Mbano, ebe na Mbano.
Isiala Mbano.
Ebe na Isiala Mbano.
Umunachi.
Ebe na Umunachi.
Umuokpara.
Ke ihe we short gị?
Sorry, sir.
Ke ihe we short gị now?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
I told him that, listen, I don't want it to. I'm not joking with you.
Okay.
If you're not ready, you get out of this place. I don't touch it here. Imonyanwo. Amamonyewo. Can he just get much? Melego tambo. Melegambo.
Mba.
Let he got a much.
Anyway, sir.
Ibrafo umtavu.
Yes, sir.
The way camera na like a lot of girls. By your co white town Chaganelu.
Okay.
Lazo. Pepe window ni neno na pala. Etaga bread and Nwa Mmiri. Ilo di echilekwe. Eche for no bread na mmiri keji anoga in the evening, in the afternoon. Etakosheza and bring you down here. Takosheza bring you down here. Kutana gishi but anko ka bread anu. Lazo. Tono. Whatever verse bia. Ema hewo tono. Get whatever verse bia. Le wanya front. Le wanya front na le wanya front. First front, turn no telegang. Turn no telegang, not like that. No twa hun chile ka bagoko. Ya were phone gị. Okay, man, ihe ọbụla m mere nga agaba na social media niile m gaa n'iru.
Yes, sir.
Ịdị afọ ole?
26.
Ele ihe a mụrụ gị?
1999.
Iji ụmụ ole?
Onwe.
Na-achụga gị na-ekwu okwu.
Onwe.
Ka ebe isi na-anọnyere anyị.
Na Lagos.
Gịnị ka ị na-arụ?
Okay, I'm on service here. Copper.
Ebe na Lagos.
Ebe Yaba. Yaba.
Gịnị ka ị gụrụ na school?
Banking and finance.
Nne gị na nna gị ọ ka dị ndụ?
Mba.
Chai, ndo. Nne gị na nna gị ọnwụọna? Gịnị gburu ha?
Okay, mom with high blood pressure. So, the following year. So.
Akwụkwọ ji adọ gị?
Sir?
Akwụkwọ, ị na-enwe akwụkwọ?
Mba.
Ụmụnne gị ọ dị ole?
Ali is say that is 5, including me, making 6.
Nwere mgbara agbara gị.
Mba.
Na family unu enwere nwanne gị na-aṅụ goof.
Ah, mba.
Ijiri aka gị gbaa nwoke enyi mbụ.
Mba.
Ị matala nwoke? Ke mere na iji filuo na itorole ịnọ na nke nwoke na-awụghị nwanne gị, na-awụghị ikwu gị, na-awụghị ibe gị.
Maka etolitole m abụọ.
Ọ ya wụ na ị ga-anọli n'ụlọ nwoke na-awụghị nwanne gị, na-awụghị ikwu gị, na-awụghị ibe gị. Ka ihe gosiri na ị ga-anọli gị na nwoke ebiri na-awụghị onye na-awụghị nwanne gị, na-awụghị ikwu gị, na-awụghị your cousin, na-awụghị your sister. Ka ihe ọ dị gị ka na ihe ga-eme gị na-ebitelie.
Okay, companionship, right? Companionship.
Were Igbo nwa bingo. Were Igbo. Iti wele companion. Ajọ gị ihe gụrụ na school na ị ga-edefend ya. Bịara bịa sụrụ m Igbo. Bịara bịa sụrụ m Bekee. Ọ ya mere na amaghị ihe unu chọrọ n'ụwa. Were Igbo nwa bingo.
Okay, so actually, ndozi ezinụlọ.
Ele ihe gosipụtara na gị nwa agbọghọbịa na itorole ibiri with nwoke na-awụghị nwanne gị, na-awụghị ikwu gị, na-awụghị ibe gị. What is banking and finance?
Okay, it is the art of safe custody of safekeeping of valuables, inclusive money, documents, and being in the financial space. Everything that has to do with finance, that has to do with money and valuables.
If you cannot know what you can do as a young girl, the main reason that shows that you are matured to live with a man in your house, in a house that is not your brother own, that is not your cousin own, that is not your uncle own, that means you are not yet ready for marriage. These are little things you people don't know. You get really something from your mouth to go see that the itoroli ludi. Igana bedi no isa woni itorola agbobia. So if you know what to ebara kowani if no because you itorola agbobia. Because he will pad. If you lole itorola abo, I'm talking, you're laughing. Madam, can you go see that itoroli be with a man in a house that is not your uncle, your brother, your relation? What shows that you are grown up to live with another man that is not your brother?
Okay, Bishop, can I say it in English? Okay.
Because your father won your ta. Mma won Cameroon. Igbo.
Okay, so
Akwamba nonga ka isi wonye mbano ndo tocha. Akwamba no ndo tocha na-enweghị ha pasitra na awuhu iri okeri. Oya ka ibra ga asigam that na can you say it in English? Mbano omenala ha na-ebu ya n'isi jiri omenala jideshe ike. Bu tradition jideshe ike ka ibra ga ka asem, can I say it in English? Them you. Mbano that does not play with tradition. In the whole of Imo as a whole, Mbano don't they play with their tradition. Everything that have to do with culture. Keep it now. Can you say it with English? Owara ya bage. Yeah. Are you okay? Because the kinachi kiss and okay, camera me my kissing him. Actually, Tao, I won't more kissing. The way who the other side. Making a kiss in Mukoya. Say, no camera near Ne kiss no camera me my kissing him. I told him that touching now. I am making a kiss him. Makam say make it. That's it. You kiss him for long. Otele Ndi kiss him. Then the lady will most like here.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. It's not funny.
I went body order.
Mbasa.
In my water.
Sir?
What one?
Ofuma.
Peter Ofuma. That's for
Sir?
That's for
22. Okay, no, 19 years.
They will let's start.
So you gave them money.
Well, don't worry. 22, about 23, gave me making tap. No, he may have 23 years, gave me okay, they regulate you know, yeah, don't after them. And I never always okay in our lotto. In our lotto. Direct back here for one, you may go. You were pulling one bow.
Mbasa.
When be the one 40 years can be thrown out. When I go on 22, that's 19 years, keep it on 19, 18, 20. Madolena Lagina.
3 people.
Right.
Yes.
Well, I'm wine and wine.
Sir?
Melon wine and wine.
Mbasa.
No. 3 people.
Mba.
Watch Italia. Watch Italia. Well, we should watch Italia. My name is the weekend. Come on, subscribe for that place. So you can subscribe or check Kabago. Subscribe or like ya get share ya. Awara ya bag. And watch Italia get back at the just know what ya taku shares again for what? Subscribe or for this place. Chile Kabago.